Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you how to check seatbelt production date. To check the seatbelt production date, take a look at any seatbelt. At the bottom of it, you should find this receipt. Right here, you can find the production date. In case there is no production date, or the production date is different, younger than production date of the car, you should be cautious before buying, because it can indicate that the car was in crash. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.